Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Here we are, genuine Honda screen. This particular screen, an 08 R80-MCR-800. This is basically for a VT750 Spirit or DC, or also fits the C2 Spirit. Okay, beautiful screen made by National Cycle, no doubt. As you can see, comes complete with all the mountings, just simply bolts on, very easy to fit. Custom windshield. We have fitted this on late bikes, early bikes. Officially it's for the DC or Black Widow, but also fits the Spirits, you know, from 07 up. But as you can see, beautiful flip on it as well. Okay, so then we can see that, but what happens, the wind comes here, flips up, so it actually deflects the wind up and over you. Beautiful shape, quite high tech actually, as you can see there. So it also fires the wind round you, and flips it up. But cracking screen. We got a lot of stuff on offer at the moment for Hondas. We got genuine Magna screens. They're like a proper colour matched little cockpit fairing, and also for the VTXs we've also got exhausts for many bikes, all on clearance. End of year or end of season for us sale. But if you're interested, give us a call, 01773835566. So a lot of this stuff will be on customcruisers.eu, our new site. Not a lot on there, but the main site is still customcruisers.com. Customcruisers.eu got a blog, a lot more interesting, a lot better site. Give us a call. Thank you.